Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the concept car in Jailbreak. First, you'll need to know that this exclusive vehicle is the most expensive in the game, priced at $2.5 million. You can find it available for purchase at the dedicated showroom, which is conveniently located within the city area. This car offers unique features, making it a highly sought-after item for many players. To accumulate the $2.5 million needed, focus on consistent money-making strategies. As a criminal, regularly rob high-value targets such as the bank, jewelry store, and power plant. If you play as a police officer, actively arrest criminals to collect their bounties. Also, keep an eye out for special in-game events, as these often provide excellent opportunities to earn extra cash quickly. Once you have enough cash, head to the city to find the concept car showroom. It stands out as a modern, blue building. You'll typically find it near the basketball court area. As you approach, look for unique animations and an icon displayed on its walls, indicating it's the correct location. This special dealership is where you'll make your big purchase. Inside the showroom, approach the concept car and interact with it to initiate the purchase. A confirmation prompt will appear for the $2.5 million transaction. Once confirmed, the car is yours. You can now spawn and drive this incredible vehicle, experiencing its custom engine sound, cool speed effects, and the ability to seat 4 people. Congratulations on your new ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.